Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Chevy Bolt. There are 3 primary charging levels, each offering different speeds and convenience. Understanding these options will help you choose the best method for your daily needs and longer trips. We'll cover everything from standard home outlets to rapid public chargers, ensuring you always have power when you need it. Let's dive into the specifics of each charging type and how to utilize them effectively. Level 1 charging is the slowest, using a standard 120-volt household outlet, adding about 4 miles of range per hour. It's great for overnight top-ups. Level 2 charging, however, uses a 240-volt outlet, similar to a clothes dryer, and can fully charge your Bolt in roughly 10 hours. This is often the most practical and popular choice for home charging, offering a good balance of speed and convenience for daily use. When you're on the road and need a quick boost, DC fast charging is your best friend. This method can add up to 100 miles of range in just 30 minutes, making it ideal for longer journeys. You can easily find compatible DC fast charging stations using your Chevy Bolt's built-in navigation system or various charging apps. It's a game changer for reducing range anxiety on extended trips. For daily driving, charging your battery to about 80% helps prolong its lifespan. Also, preconditioning your battery before charging or driving in extreme temperatures can significantly improve efficiency. And speaking of upgrades, consider the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum for a smarter home. It offers voice control, self-emptying, and is perfect for pet owners. Check the description below for a link to this amazing product and other great deals to enhance your home and lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.